Hi everyone, we are back at it today. We are in Southern California at the Cleveland National Forest, and we are going to hike the Tenaja Falls Trail. And I understand it's pretty short actually.
Yeah, it's only about 1.5 miles round trip, and we're hoping the falls are gonna be super awesome because it's been raining basically all week.
Nice. Not a huge fall, but should be cool still. So we're gonna check that out, and then we got some more trouble planned for this afternoon, so thank you. Oh no! No drinking while we hike? What are we supposed to do? Just walk around? Maybe not. Well, we thought this was going to be really easy, but we've already hit our first fork in the trail. So we're just going with it and seeing what we find. Yes, I don't know if you could hear Christine say, we're doing our favorite thing, getting lost. I'm already thinking we're going the wrong way, but we'll tell you in a second. I think we took the wrong trail. Pretty quickly it turned into not much of a trail at all, but we could still be wrong. So we'll keep you more updated. We can see our car. Oh, that's cool. Don't get wet is the only rule. Kind of want to throw things at you and make it a little more challenging. Good job.
Did it.
Whoa. You ready to go for a swim in one of these pools?
Absolutely not.
This is the spot right here.
Ready for your fun fact?
Fun facts, yes.
These right here are what the Native Americans referred to as like tanks. Like, so they would
That's what
in
the
the
hike's
dry.
called, right?
Yeah, so tanks translates in Spanish to Tenaja,
Okay.
which I feel like I'm saying wrong, but anyways, so these bodies of water the Native Americans would drink out of, like, even as the dry season came. So that's why this hike is called that.
Nice. Fun fact.
Yep.
Hey, Christine made it. Good job. That waterfall certainly had plenty of bang for your buck. What was it, like less than a mile, Christine, to it?
Yeah, like
Oh, three-quarters.
of a mile, yeah.
Yeah, 3/4 of a mile there, and we got to see this huge waterfall. So that was pretty cool. I would like to come back here during the summertime and try to actually swim in one of those pools. I just don't know if those pools will have water in them during the summertime. It did just rain here last weekend, which is why we chose to do a waterfall hike in the first place. So yeah, I would rate this good bang for your buck. Also very kid-friendly. It's not a very challenging trail. We're just finishing up the hike right now, but I really want to revisit something that's been bothering me. It's a sign. Does that just mean no martinis? Or is it like, could we have brought beer out here?
Probably, yeah.
I don't know. Comment down below, please. Speaking of booze, where we're going next is to a meadery, which we've never been to. I've probably only had mead twice in my life anyways.
Yeah.
Christine?
I've never had it, and also it's not meat with a T.
Yeah.
Mead with a D.
Do you think I'm saying meat?
Well, the first time you told me about it, I thought you meant like a meatery, like where you go and eat meat, and I was like, okay, cool.
That's not a thing.
That's not a thing, but it should be a thing. Doesn't that seem like it would be a fun thing?
That does sound nice.
But anyways, this also sounds like fun.
We're going to a meadery, so I'll show you that. Oh, Christine with her first mead.
I'm trying this one first.
First taste of mead?
Exactly like you said, like Hawaiian punch, but with alcohol.
Nice.
This one is my favorite from my flight. It is the liquid courage one. It's a nitro, and it has espresso in it. I'm looking at the menu. It doesn't taste like espresso. Michael liked it. So
I liked it. That's
that
true.
was good. It's really good.
This is a meadery, but this is pretty exciting too. They've got My Hard Lemonade here. Woo! Welcome to the most serious vlog of all time. So first of all, that meadery was absolutely amazing. We totally loved it. Yeah, big thumbs up from Christine. The mead was amazing. The food was also amazing. The mead was so cool because there were so many different kinds and you could just try different flavors. We definitely plan on going back there. And somehow the food was amazing too. I don't know why. And I can't say enough. Service, amazing. They really took good care of us there. But with about an hour before we left the meadery, we got into just a really deep conversation, and that carried on the entire hour and a half ride home and another half hour in front of our house where we are right now. So I'm just closing this and keeping it totally real with y'all. Very good conversation, very hard. Lots of uncomfortable things to talk about, but I think we made a lot of good relational progress and good stuff. But I just wanted to put a close on this vlog and let you guys know we love the hike. We really love the meadery. So another great day, and even when things like this happen where it takes a serious turn, still really good. So thank you so much for watching, and the next one will probably be back to lightheartedness. I mean, this one was too for 99%, but yeah, good stuff. Let's go. Oh, Christine's giving me the sign. Hey, subscribe to the channel. It's right here. Check that out. Hit that button, and then over here you could just watch more videos and then subscribe, maybe. I don't know. Either way, do them both. Subscribe, watch more videos. Subscribe, watch more videos. So thanks again. I'll just stop talking now. Bye guys. Thank you. Not Christine.
I know, I'm like, you can't see
Behind
me.
Christine.
There it is.